everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this vlog you will get to know about the top adventure activities in Phuket that are quite famous all over the world. So whenever you visit Phuket, make sure you don't miss out these activities for a unique experience. So at around 7:15 am, the travel company picked us from our resort in Patong. Around 9 am, we stopped at Suan Kua Temple, also known as the Monkey Cave in Phang Nga Province. Suan Kua Temple is one of the best places to visit in Phuket. This place is absolutely stunning and the cave is famous for a big reclining Buddha inside a cave. It serves as a place of worship for local Buddhists and also as a tourist destination. You will find a lot of monkeys at the entrance. Lot of vendors sell a variety of monkey-friendly treats in case you want to feed them. You can buy and feed them. Suan Kua Temple is a unique and extraordinary Buddhist temple located inside of a large natural cavern set into a limestone mountain on the Thai mainland. So stay connected guys and make sure to watch the video till the end because then you will get the complete idea about the different activities we did and where you can find them in Phuket. a.m. we arrived at Phangna Rafting Camp where they briefed about the activities. So the first activity we did is zip lining, where you will be tied through a cable and slid from a higher platform to another. The entire activity happened in a lush forest. So it was a fantastic experience for us because we not only enjoyed the zip lining but we also enjoyed the mesmerizing scenic view. So now it's time for water rafting. If you visit Phuket, don't miss the rafting, guys. It is one of the best thrilling and fun activity to do in Phuket. The tour guide will lead you down the river through the jungle rainforest on an exciting 5-kilometer ride. Water rafting is my favorite activity throughout the trip. We had an amazing and memorable experience indeed. It was my first time exploring Phuket and I have already fallen in love with this place. I will certainly return to explore and to do more activities. Overall experience was super relaxing and full of fun. At around 12 p.m. we had a lunch at rafting camp. If you are a vegetarian, you can request for a vegetarian meal at the time of booking. So we booked everything in advance from Phuket Travel Company. After a lot of research, we found that Phuket Travel Company is the best option if you compare with others. Our traveling experience with them is marvelous and we enjoyed the trip. Do check out their website, they have a lot of options of day tour. The ATV ride through the forest was also a fun activity. The trail had quite a few rough and muddy sections. We enjoyed the bumpy ride. It was the best option to explore the jungles of Phuket, and you will also get to see the small waterfalls in between. Ride on elephant was also one of the best fun activity during our trip. We enjoyed a relaxed ride on a big Buddha mountain path through the forest on the back of a gentle elephant. Elephant trekking is an experience to remember and a great fun for the kids. The overall experience was amazing. It was so exciting to sit on the elephant head. We did a lot of photo sessions in between. There are bananas available at the center to feed the elephants. You can just buy from there and feed them. The overall experience was amazing. The staff were very helpful and friendly. And evening around 4 p.m., once we are done with all the activities, they drop us back to our resort. Hope you all enjoyed this adventure trip of Phuket with me. Do visit Phuket once for an amazing experience. Hope you find it helpful and informational. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Keep watching.